Hello everyone from another lecture of our multiplayer FPS course. In this lecture, we will make some changes on the fire script that we created in the last lecture. So open the fire script in the Visual Studio. Currently, we are shooting when we click the left mouse button, but we want to hold the shoot. What I'm saying is we will hold the left mouse button and it will automatically shoot because it's a rifle, not a pistol. So as you can see, it's get key down. We will change it as get key. The difference is get key down only works when we click and get key works when we hold. Now we will create a float variable called last shoot time equals 0. This will be equal to our shooting time. We will record the shooting time and create another variable called wait for seconds between shoots. When we hold the left mouse button, we will shoot using this time interval between each shot. It will be 0.2 seconds, but you may just make it whatever you want. I just want it to be 0.2. Now we will get the shooting time and put it in the last shoot time in the update function when we shoot. If we are holding the left mouse button, we will check if we can shoot or not. If last shoot time equals 0, or if last shoot time plus wait for seconds between shoots is smaller than time.time. That means that 0.2 seconds passed after we shoot it. So we can shoot now. Smaller than time.time. So time.time is bigger than last shoot time plus wait for seconds between shoots. For example, if our last shoot time is 10 and wait for seconds between shoots is 0.2, so if the time is bigger than 10.2, we will be able to shoot. So that's basically what we did here. And if the last shoot time is equal to 0, we will be able to shoot because we haven't shooted yet. We will shoot if this condition is true. So cut the raycast part from the code and we will paste it in the if condition. So cut it and paste it into if condition. So if our last shoot time is 0 or time.time is bigger than last shoot time plus wait for seconds between shoots, we will shoot and we will equalize the last shoot time to time.time. Time.time is the time passed after the game is started. Now attach the code to Unity. Now we will create a crosshair for our game. So open the player prefab, canvas, and camera. Enable the camera so that we can see through the canvas. In the canvas, we will create a text mesh pro. So right click on the canvas, UI, text mesh pro. Name it as crosshair. Its text will be a plus sign. Alignment of the text will be in the middle. And it's a bit small, so we will make it a bit bigger in the font size. I'll make it 50. It looks good. And I will change its color to something like red. You may just set its color to anything you want. Go back and build and run. I will start the game in the editor and the build. I'll join as client in the build. As you can see, there's our crosshair in the middle. And when I hold the left mouse button and shoot the player, as you can see, the health decreased gradually. But as you can see, the health became a negative value. To solve that, we will open our health script and make some changes on it. So basically what we are going to do is, if we get the damage and our health is smaller than 0, we will make it 0. So cut this part There's a mathematics library in the Unity, it's integrated, called mathf. We will use the max function inside of it. We will type mathf dot max. So we will pass in two float values into the function. One of them will be 0 and the other one will be our new health value. We will get the new health value by subtracting the damage from our health value. And if the new value is bigger than 0, our health value be equal to the new value. And if the new value is a negative, so it's more than 0, our health value will be 0. So we will pass in the 0 and our new health value. It will be equal to the health value minus damage. Now attach the code to Unity and open the editor. In the editor we will build and run again. I'll start the game on both the clients, host it on the editor and client on the build. And now I will hold the left button and shoot. But first I have to make sure the health value is visible. And now I will shoot. And I'm holding. So as you can see, our health value is now 0. It's not going to the negatives. But we have a problem. The cursor is visible and we can move it around the screen. So open the camera look and we will create a start function, void start. We will lock the cursor in the middle and make it not visible, make it invisible. So we will type cursor dot lock state equals cursor lock mode dot locked. If you just open the lock, you have to make the cursor lock state cursor lock mode dot none. It will unlock the cursor, and when I start the game, as you can see, the cursor is invisible and it's locked in the middle. So press escape to make the cursor work again in the editor. It doesn't work in the build. You have to press alt F4 to close the game. So this was all for this lecture. See you on the next one.